Hey there and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss a lesson, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play Waterfalls by TLC. Now before we can play this song, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are C major, G major, B flat major, and F major. If you know how to play those 4 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to the other portion of this lesson. So the first chord that we're going to learn to play is C major. To play that, just take your third finger and press down on the first string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. The next chord that we're going to learn is G major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, take your second finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. This is G major. The next chord is B flat major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, take your second finger, press down on the 1st string of the 1st fret, take your 3rd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 4th finger and press down on the 4th string of the 3rd fret. This is B flat major. And the last chord for this song is F major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, and then take your second finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is F major. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be C major for 4 beats, G major for 4 beats, B flat major for 4 beats, and F major for 4 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, down, tap, down, 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 tap, down. Let's play that strumming pattern now on the C major chord. Down, down, tap, down, 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 tap, down, 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 tap, down, 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 tap, down. And now let's add the chord progression with that strumming pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Waterfalls. A lonely mother gazing out of the window, staring at a son that she can't touch. If at any time he's in a jam, she'll be by his side, but he doesn't realize he hurts her so much. But all the praying just ain't helping at all, 'cause he can't seem to keep himself out of trouble. So he goes out and he makes his money the best way he knows how. Another body laying cold in the gutter. Listen to me. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Now if you want to play through the rest of that song, then check out my play along video for Waterfalls. And that's how you play Waterfalls by TLC. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Special thanks to my friends at Kumu Ukuleles for allowing me to showcase their ukulele in this video. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so you can check out their products. Again, Don't forget to subscribe, and as always, keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.